Alright, here we are again, folks, the banks of the Logan River. We're here for October's weigh-in. So unfortunately that wind definitely picked up again this weekend, but yeah, a few people I know have got out, but I think the main species seems to be that I've seen so far has been whiting, so it'll be interesting to see how we go. So we'll see what happens. Never trouble. Good to see you've brought out the best stubby cooler again, Was. Nothing but the best for the club days. A few new faces as well. Here's the lovely morsels for the day. We didn't move. Few faces we haven't seen for a while as well today, which is good to see.
It's crazy. Inshore, estuarial bay, inshore fish.
One's Jason's, one's mine.
Yours will be the big one?
Yeah, mine's a big one. Of course it's a big one.
Whoa, it's bigger fish than me.
This is the first fish in a Tupperware container. I've never seen that before.
It's only so your sausages don't taste like fish.
Yep.
Only a lady will take fish away in a Tupperware.
Hers was the bigger one.
164.
That's alright.
Oh, yeah, go. Oh, look at this too. Good on you.
Unfortunately, I'll tell one win.
243. Come on, then.
No, you're right.
Undersized white. 0.5. Very nice.
Becoming a habit, man.
Very nice.
Is this the same thing?
Yeah.
Weight, man.
Sorry? What was the weight? 546.
Well, there's two in there, mate, that you can split them, please.
Alright. That one's 568.
Yours is longer.
568. First one.
What was Lenny's?
They're only 39, but they haven't spawned, they're fat. Just like the turtle in the quarter. Oh, Johnny, how many one? Yours is longer.
7, 8.
I couldn't have got mine that long, that length in a bit. I'm not a type.
Not half.
Green ticket, D65. D65.
Do you need breaking in tools out your way?
No, thank you.
The keeping away.
That's the keeping away tool.
Thank you.
All right, yeah, Jay. 62.
This is a two-person raffle today.
Yeah, Joe.
Let's get a blackie.
One?
Got a black one.
A black one.
That's me, Mum.
We call it dark grey to be
Politically correct.
043. D403. 043 in black.
Yep.
Why do you get me to draw out the housebreaking implements?
That's another green ticket.
Green 22. Green 22. Green 22. Green 22.
Oh.
That'll rewrite the housebreaking. Get the wife seat.
Yeah. Some dodgy tools for a dodgy person, maybe.
I need bigger ones, Jason.
Yeah, bigger ones.
There we are. One pair of sunnies.
One pair of sunnies. They're going to help you when you're fishing for your jacks at night.
Only if they light up.
Well, folks, that's another weigh-in done and dusted. So, yeah, it was actually a few nice sized whiting weighed in today, so that was good to see. So, yeah, hopefully the weather might play its a little bit better into our favour next month. So, for now, that's all we've got. So, until next month, bye for now.